The Events section of Hourglass allows you to enter information that will affect the scheduling of congregation meetings. When you go to Schedule and Events, you'll see that the memorial is automatically entered by the system and is not editable. But you can enter a circuit assembly, circuit overseer's visit, regional convention, or a custom event. You'll notice that we already have a circuit overseer's visit event scheduled for the week of October 10th. And if you go to the midweek meeting, you can see that this is noted, and it's adjusted the schedule automatically to remove the congregation Bible study and insert the circuit overseer's midweek service talk. As a side note, you can edit the title of the circuit overseer's midweek talk just by clicking on Settings. If we go back to Events, let's add a new event. Imagine our circuit assembly is scheduled for Saturday, October 29th. We select the circuit assembly and click the plus sign. Now, if you go to the weekend meeting schedule, you can see that no meeting should be scheduled for that weekend because of the assembly. Custom events can be used for anything that falls outside the normal theocratic calendar. Let's say, for example, that there's going to be a cleanup at the Kingdom Hall on Sunday, October 30th. We could schedule that as a custom event called Fall Cleaning. When we save that, it will then show up on the weekly schedule in the publisher's mobile applications. If an event is accidentally entered in error, it can be deleted simply by clicking on the red X and confirming the deletion.